Well, Chris, that's a great win, 5-0 against Mynydd Isa, and some great goals as well on a very windy afternoon.
Yeah, I mean, perfect reaction from obviously Tuesday night and last Saturday. I thought we dominated the game in the first half. We had full control, but just needed to have a little bit more care in the final third to break them down. But we spoke about just speeding the play up in the second half and the chances would come. And yeah, like I say, I think it's the perfect response to the last couple of performances and a good way to end the season here. Obviously, we've only lost one home game all season in the league, so good to finish it off with a good win today.
And Oshan with another hat-trick in front of the try-fifth.
Yeah, I think you've run out of balls to give him, aren't you?
Well, it's good for hat-tricks. Yeah, we'll take it, but some great goals as well, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, some of the goals in the second half were great build-up play. That we had similar moves in the first half, but didn't quite finish it off. I think the conditions were difficult in the first half as well, but second half created the opportunities and took them as well.
4 away games to come. How do you assess the challenge in the 4 away games?
Yeah, I mean, we'll just take it one game at a time. Obviously, start next Saturday at Clan Roost and then just take the games off one game at a time and see where we are.
Diolch yn fawr, Chris.
Diolch.